Yeah, absolutely.
Do it.
Absolutely.
Well, hello, Jay.
Hey, Ross, how you
Jay,
doing?
this is Ross. Enjoy your drive.
Okay, so honk it once and then count 5 seconds and we'll go forward.
Okay.
Push this forward for gear.
Forward. There
Okay.
we go.
Give her some gas. Keep going. Plenty of gas.
Yeah. And this thing eats plenty of gas, doesn't it? I'm just like driving the Empire State Building.
Okay, give it gas, 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 gas. Keep going. There you go.
There we go.
Huh? Just like driving your old man's Cadillac, right?
This is a little smaller than my dad's Cadillac,
Yeah.
actually. It's amazing how easily it steers. I mean, obviously power steering, but it feels like a mid-60s Chrysler.
Yeah. With this load on, we get good suspension. It's like you're floating, huh?
Yeah. And how big is our load?
240 tons.
This is what they call road-hugging weight.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. It's amazing.